My name is Radiance and I'm going to lead you through a nice slow flow. 15 minutes because that's all you need to reset for your day. But we're going to start at the center of our mat. We're going to be up, alert to the sky. So inhale your arms up to the sky. Exhale, pressing that air down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Inhale, rise. And at the top, bringing your hand to a prayer. Taking that next inhale, reaching even further. Maybe you're rising to your toes. And on your exhale, go ahead and forward fold all the way down. Pressing your hands back into a nice high plank. Take a big inhale in here. Exhale, pressing your forearms down to the ground. Untucking those toes, cobra. Squeezing those glutes and those thighs together. Take a deep inhale in here. Exhale, pressing back to a nice child's pose. On your next inhale, rocking back up into an upward facing dog. This time, pressing your pelvis down. Inhale, we rise and sit back. On your next inhale, coming back up into a neutral tabletop position. Inhale your right hand into the sky. Dancing your wrist to the right and dancing it to the left. Taking that string that you see right above you, grabbing it and threading it right on through towards your left side, sitting back on your heels. Maybe you're taking that left arm to reach it all the way out, or even binding it behind your back. Rest here. Allow gravity to help you, and you're using your hips as nostrils. Take a deep inhale in here. Exhale, release. Your hips as nostrils. One more deep inhale in. Exhale, releasing that left hand down to the ground. Inhale that right hand back up. Opening up that heart even more, you're reaching back. Exhale, coming back into a neutral top or tabletop position. Pity pat those toes. Hey toes. Untuck those toes and coming just a little bit into a nice floating tabletop. Your hips should be aligned. Your belly button should be to your spine. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, releasing those knees to the ground. Inhaling that left arm up high into the sky. Dance your wrist to the right and dance it to the left. Grab that string up top. Inhale, grabbing it, threading it all the way through towards the right side. Maybe you're taking the same modifications by reaching that right hand out, or maybe you're even binding it behind your back. Either way, allowing your hips as nostrils, allowing gravity to co-create this experience with you, to explore your body so you can see what is good and give it nourishment there. Take a big breath in. And on the exhale, releasing your hands out, breathing back into that left arm, reaching that chest open, opening up your heart, exhaling back down. Sway your hips from side to side here, taking a deep inhale in and out. Inhale your chest up to the sky. Exhale, bending that back as if that string is pulling you by your back. Feeling energy through your palms. Inhale, we rise. Exhale, release. Inhale, rise one more time. Exhale, release. Taking those toes, pity pat those toes once more. Floating tabletop here. Taking a big breath in and out. Inhale deeply. And on the exhale, pressing back into a nice downward dog, your heels down to the ground. Maybe you are walking your dog out. Maybe you have to shift your hands back a little bit. Either way, find freedom and flexibility in your body here. Shifting your heels up to the ceiling. Your hips up to the ceiling, your heels down. Taking a nice inhale in. Exhale, open your mouth and let it out. On the next inhale, bringing your knees to your chest here. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, knees to chest. Exhale, downward dog. Take a look at your hands. Hop, skip, or step to the front of your mat. Exhale, forward fold here. Allow your spine to be lengthened and as heavy as it can be here. Maybe it's you shaking your head yes and no. Maybe it's you grabbing your elbows and rocking side to side. Decide what's best for you. Take a deep inhale in here. Exhale, fold some more. Inhale, halfway lift, arms open, heart open here. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, heart open. Exhale, forward fold. One more, inhale, halfway lift, heart open. Exhale, forward fold. Now we must rise to the skies, just like how we started. Inhale, sweeping your arms out high to the sky, bringing it into a prayer position up top. Inhale, lengthen. Maybe you're standing on your toes like you were before. Big inhale in. Exhale, bringing your hands at your heart. Relax your shoulders. Maybe you're closing your eyes, allowing your gaze to be soft. Feel the energy come from the tips of your fingers to your toes. Taking a deep inhale in here, letting the breath percolate in your lungs. Exhale, releasing. On your next inhale, bringing up those hands. Holding here, lifting that right leg to the sky, giving me a nice little balance here. Take a big inhale in. And on the exhale, twisting over towards the right side, opening up your hands, thighs together. Inhale, back up top. Exhale over towards the left, shifting your balance a little bit here. You got this. Inhale, rise. Exhale, releasing your hands down to your chest, pressing your foot back, giving me a nice high lunge. Big inhale here. Exhale, sitting deeper in that high lunge. Go ahead and make some necessary adjustments that you need. It's okay. Big inhale in, rise those hands up to the sky. Exhale, bringing those prayers at the nape of your neck. Taking giant inhale in, and as you exhale, you're sitting deeper and allowing yourself to bend back, opening up that heart once more. Maybe your head is heavy in your hands. Shifting that left hip back, that right hip forward. Exhaling, seeing if you can bend some more deeper in that foot. Lengthening that back leg. Take a big breath in and out. Go ahead and shifting all the way into a nice triangle, dropping your right hand to the ground. We're going to counter twist it here by bringing up our left hand. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bringing it over into a nice wide angle fold here. So we're going to be exploring our mat a little bit. Go ahead and drop. I'm just going to flip. Dropping yourself down. Taking a big inhale in. Halfway lift, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, we rise. Exhale, fold some more. And now you should be facing, and it doesn't matter where you're facing, but go ahead and switching over towards that opposite leg here. So you should be in a nice high lunge with your left foot forward. Inhale, we rise. Or is it your right foot forward? I'm unsure. I'm kind of confused now. Let me see. Yep, it'd be your right foot forward. It's okay to make some mistakes. There we go. Yep, that's exactly it. So we're going to inhale. We're going to rise. We're going to place our hands up top. Take a big inhale. Breathe. On the exhale, sit deeper. Shifting that hip forward, that pelvis forward, sitting deeper in here. Good job. Inhale. Exhale, bringing that hand back onto the nape of your neck, sitting deeper and shifting that weight back. Maybe you're allowing your head to rest heavy in your heart. Taking a big inhale in. Exhale, releasing, coming back all the way down to the ground. Inhale, that right hand up high into the sky. Go ahead and straighten that leg for a nice little twist as well with this triangle pose. Taking a big breath in. And out, walking. You should be at a wide angle on the other side. So now we're back in a downward forward, wide leg forward fold. So go ahead and fall deeper. Exhale, inhale up. Exhale, release. Coming back into the front of your mat. So rocking over towards this side, just stepping tall, finding your wrists, your hands, your palms facing out. Just taking a giant inhale in. Exhale, release. Feeling the energy through your palms. Big inhale in. Exhale, release. Now we're going to do a couple arm circles. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, pressing that air down. Inhale, we rise. Oops, sorry, plants. Exhale, pressing it down. Inhale, rise. One more time. Bringing those palms together. Lengthening here, becoming as tall as possible. Maybe coming back down if you're on your tippy toes. Exhale, pressing back. Lengthening out here. Big inhale. Exhale, shifting all the way down to the ground. Maybe you're sitting, bring your hands behind your back. We're just going to close out this practice with a nice easy pose. Feeling it in our legs. Whatever feels comfortable to you, let's just take our hands and inhale it up here. Exhaling them, separating them towards our right side. Inhale, lengthening our spine. Exhale, looking back. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, over down towards the left. Inhale, we lengthen our spine. Exhale, we're looking back. Inhale, rise. Exhale, pressing your hands behind your back and opening up that chest. Inhale. Exhale, release. Maybe a couple shoulder circles. One more, inhale, rise. Exhale, bringing that prayer at your heart. Relaxing those shoulders. Feeling the most amazing that you are because you just said yes to yourself. Thank you for flowing with me in this nice, quick flow. I hope that you have an amazing day today. Always remember that my radiance is simply a reflection of yours. Have a great day.